Hi, my name is Norrin A, and I'm an incoming junior at Doherty Valley. Hi, and this is my final milestone for my project, the gesture-controlled robot. So over here, if we were to turn on the switch, and after a few moments, it should pair. Okay, so now if I move this forward, it can go forward, backward, right, left, and again, forward, backward. So essentially, that is my project. This is the final milestone for it, and along the way, I did encounter some challenges. So firstly, I had to compress a lot of the wiring down together and make sure that everything was still functional. That took a little bit of time, and I needed to desolder some wires and trim some down to make sure that everything would fit inside of this small little chassis. And then I also had to include a switch so I wouldn't have to constantly um, add and remove the battery. Upon a closer inspection, we have the 4 servo motors over here that then connect to this red component. This is the L298 motor driver, and this is also connected to this green motherboard, the Arduino R3. And all this is also connected to, and the Arduino R3 is receiving its commands from this Bluetooth module over here, which is the exact same one that we have over here. And this one receives its commands from the Arduino Nano, and this one gets all the information that we need for this robot from this tiny little component called the accelerometer. Within the accelerometer, there is a gyroscope that allows us to measure the tilt of the angle. And when it sends that input from this Bluetooth to this Bluetooth, the code written that I wrote in here will then be transferred to the L298 motor driver that pretty much tells the motors how long and how fast it should spin. And then obviously power-wise, this switch is used to control the current from this 9-volt battery, which I had to often replace because of how strong my motors were. And then the glove itself is powered by this battery pack. Looking ahead, as this is my final milestone, I am looking to modify this robot by adding a voice controlled feature of it, where simply by saying the command out loud, I could hopefully move the robot whichever way I would need to, and essentially disposing the entire gesture controlled component of the project. Thank you.